Hey there! In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not detecting your microphone, whether you are using an emulator or the desktop version. This guide will help you troubleshoot common audio issues so that you can enjoy seamless call and voice messages. Let's get started. So the step number one. First of all, we will make sure that our mic is working fine. For that, click on the Windows icon and then search for Control Panel and then open it. Once you open the Control Panel, simply, you need to go into the Hardware and Sound and then click on Sound. Once you open this small window, you will see here the Recording tab. Just click on that, and right now you can see both microphones are working the USB microphone, and it's working fine. So, in this case, make sure that your microphone is working and monitoring this audio as well. If it is, then that's good. But if it's not working, then what you can do here next step. Click on the Windows icon, then search here for Audio Settings, and then click on that Sound Settings. Once you open the sound settings, then make sure that's your output. And you need to find here the input. Choose device for speaking or recording, right? Currently, it's on stereo mix. Make sure choose the mic that you are currently using, or just you got it right. So in this case, you need to choose here, and then check it out in the control panel. Once again, if it's working, that's good. Now the next step, what you need to do here for the text driver application, just open the WhatsApp and then go into the settings. Once you are here, simply you need to find here the video and voice. Once you click on that, just scroll down a bit and you will see here the microphone and then the speaker. Choose here the microphone that currently you are using and of course the speaker output. Use headphones or whatever you are using, just choose here, and it will work fine. Now the second step is for your emulator. For the emulator purpose, as I said, you can set your default microphone. You can do it from control panel as well. Just hardware and sound. And then sound, once you are here, simply you need to open your recording devices and just right-click on your specific microphone and then make sure set as default communication device. Once you have done this, click on OK. And after that, just launch your emulator, it will work fine. But right now, if it's not working, just click here on the three dots. Go into the emulator setting, and then you need to go into the devices. Now, speaker, of course, your headphones are speaker, and then the microphone that currently you are using, choose here. And that's it. Click on Save. And now restart your emulator, your problem should be fixed 100%. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix your mic issue, be sure to hit that like button and consider subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop a comment if you are facing issues or have any other tech problem. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.